tell. Today, just kidding. Today we're opening this.
What's
a
that?
lion. A lion. Give it a close up.
What kind of lion is this?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's always good to put the objects right in the middle of the camera and everybody can see it clear.
No,
right?
if you do it like this, you can't see it. If you do it like this, you can't see
Yeah,
it.
you got a grid, 9 grids. It's not actually square, it's a rectangular.
Yeah, it's a little bit square, a little bit rectangular. Now let's put it down and open it.
You have a lot of animals
It's
today.
quite easy to open.
Oops. The apple is running around.
It's just one thing, and then another one of these. Seriously,
Useless paper ball.
the cards. Oops, forgot to take out the other one. Cards.
Yeah,
I'll put it in the middle. Cards.
yeah. It's one in Japanese and one in English.
Yeah, how do you know? I didn't realize.
Yes,
I
always.
have a lot of these cards.
Yeah, we have a lot because we got maybe
Tons of these animals.
yeah from the same company.
Why would
We got a
only
lot
one
of boxes
thing?
already. Maybe we got 50 boxes. We got some small
Oh.
one and bigger
I
boxes.
got it.
Where is the lion? The lion fall down in a cage and never come up again. You kill him.
No, I didn't. That's from my last candies. Put it back. Thank you. Where's my last candy? Oh, I dropped it.
Good. Eat the rabbit. The rabbit is here. You want to eat
They
it?
can jump very high. The lions use these boxes. Ow.
You gotta eat it. Eat
He
it.
wants to.
No, the elephant is much stronger than the lion. The
Really?
elephant trunk can kill the
They-
lion.
Really?
Yes, sure in the natural.
Because they're much bigger.
Yeah, but they are not drawn to scare. I mean, figure. Oopsie. You break it. Be careful you break the teeth. I got a bigger trunk.
No, pretend you use the elephant trunk to curl the neck. It's dead. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. See you in the next video. Can I put this